Hello everyone, my name is Audrey Shoemaker and I am the librarian for this history class. And I have responded to your discussion board posts, or I'm currently working on responding to your discussion board posts. But because you all are in an online class, I'm also posting this video here, or giving it to Mr. Fincher so that he can post it so that you all know where to go to access the databases that I'm recommending that you get into for the sources for your history paper. So very quickly, this video won't take very long, but just watch this in case you're concerned about how to get into the databases that I've suggested you access. So if we are on the library homepage, which is library.ws.edu, or you can just go straight from the Walters State homepage, so go to ws.edu and then click on library. That'll take you straight to the library homepage. Over on the left-hand side, there is a spot that says A to Z database list. That's what you're going to click on to access the databases. Databases are categorized by subject. So we're not necessarily searching the whole internet, and we're not searching all the databases at once. We're going to open up an individual database. So the best bet to do would probably be to go to all subjects and choose history. That way we're limiting out the history or the databases that are not useful for history papers and then going directly into the ones that are. Of the databases that I recommended, they should all be on here. The first one that many of you have been told to look into is the ebook academic collection right here. If I suggested you go into American National Biography online right here, if I suggested that you open History Study Center, it's actually showing up right here at the top. And if I suggested that you open JSTOR, it's down here. Very quickly, if you choose to use JSTOR, you will have to sign in. So this is the username and password that you'll want to use. When you click on JSTOR, you'll go up here to the login button, type in the username and password, and that'll take you back to that front page. And then you can do your searching from there. The only other database that I may have suggested would be Academic Search Premier, and it is not in the history databases. So go back to that All Subjects option and then click on Academic Search Premier right here. One more thing to note. If you are at home, so you're not on a Walters State computer, it will ask you for a username and password. That is simply your eLearn username and password. If you have any trouble finding sources, please don't hesitate to contact me. I can be found in your eLearn class list under Audrey Shoemaker or the Research Coach, and I will answer as soon as I can if you email me that way. You can also email me at audrey.shoemaker@ws.edu. Thanks, guys. Good luck.